So here we have, I'm Rich from Auto2000, by the way, and this is the 3.2 that we restored in 24. So we started it early 24, finished it, kind of like late 24. We weren't on it all the time, we were just kind of on and off. But it's a beautiful colour, right? And the colour is, I'm not going to tell you, you have to guess, everyone has to guess the colour. So I've taken this to lots of events this year. Well, last year, we're in 25 now, but 24 I took it to lots of events. And everybody asked me the colour of this car. And I always said, you have to guess. And then I finally told people what the colour was. But it's a very rare colour. We've never seen one like it. Now, we've been servicing this car for 20 years. And the customer decided he was going to sell it. He was getting married and he wanted to move it on. So we bought the car from him. But although he's serviced it for 20 years, he just enjoyed it. He didn't bother with the bodywork or anything like that. And so when it came to us, it basically needed a full body rebuild. So we've done pretty much everything to this car. So every panel, the seals, the kidney bowls has been redone, and we've painted most of it. We're still going on it. We've still got a couple of bits and pieces to do on the car, but it's our demo car, so we're not going to. We'll get round to it when we can. But it's drivable, and it's an example of the type of work that we can do. So this particular car then, it's a 1989 3.2. So that means it was the last 3.2. So it came in the same year as the 964. So, and this particular car was a German demo car. So imagine you go into the Porsche showroom, 1989, and they say, "Oh, hello, sir, hello, madam. Would you like to buy this beautiful car? Look at the colour." And you go, "Well, that's pretty cool, but I want a 964 because I know the 964 is coming out." And they'd say, "But it's got an 8-inch Fuchs on the back, and look at the beautiful colour and the beautiful white leather interior." And then you'd probably be like, "Actually, that is pretty cool. Maybe I will go for that, and not the 964." That was the idea, I think, with this particular car. It was just, it was a really strong demo vehicle. It's the Porsche engineers, they threw everything at this car. So it was 1989. And they iterated all the way through the years. So you'll see slight changes between an 85, an 86, and 89 car. And they didn't stop in 89. They threw everything at it. It's a real testament to their pride in their work as engineers. And it's a beautiful car. It's very refined. It's quiet inside, unlike the SC, which is raw. It's got the more refined G50 gearbox. 231 brake horsepower, 8-inch Fuchs on the back. We put 7-inch Fuchs on the front, so it just fills the wheel arches out a little bit and rolled the wheel arches. We didn't do any of our lightweight stuff that we've done with other cars to kind of lighten it up. We just kept it completely original, apart from the 7-inch Fuchs at the back. You want to have a look at the engine, right? Okay, cameraman's nodding, so I have to look at the engine. So this is what happens, you see, when you service your car every year. So this engine has been serviced by us every year for 20 years. And what's the result of that? All of that servicing? Nothing. Don't do anything to it. Just change the oil, change the spark plugs, every major service, and your filters, and that's it. You want to hear it. Let me just start it up. Let me start it up. So there you go. Sounds really sweet. There's some horses over there and they're not even bothered. Oh, one of them's looking at us. No, it's eating grass again now. That's really smooth. I'll bring the mic closer. Sweet as.